It's like a simple chat app. I'm running the latest SDK. We've got, at least in the SDK, we should be certain that it works, otherwise like a really big channel like that. But let's clean this up, shut it down. And to run CapeDwarf, as you can see it, CapeDwarf extending, like you need to have the binaries, of course, the subsystem or extension binaries present as modules. And what we also do is, with previous versions of JBoss AS, we had configurations scattered all over the place, like a nightmare. What we did for JBoss 7, and of course later on continues into Wildfly, we have a configuration just narrowed down to one configuration class, standalone.xml. And in case of CapeDwarf, what you do is you're supposed to run a bit of custom standalone configuration, and to put that all put that into the command line, it's a bit of a pain. So what we do is like hidden all that details into a single CapeDwarf.sh script. So that's like that stack trace is a normal stack trace, but it comes from a network lookup and so on. Nothing to do with CapeDwarf. I already deployed the same var into the application, sorry, into the CapeDwarf instance. If everything goes well, if CapeDwarf subsystem kicks in, you should see. Explain it. That means that the CapeDwarf subsystem kicked in, and it will handle your Google App Engine app properly. So anything else to say? Let's go over to the. I remember what I wanted to say was that by default, or for example, the SDK and AppSpot, of course, are just like a standalone applications, and they always run from context root. So in this case, of course, the chat is part of the servlet; it's not part of the root. So it always context root. In case of CapeDwarf, you can run different applications. You can actually run multiple applications under CapeDwarf on CapeDwarf instance, and by that. But of course, they will fight for the context root. As you know, probably from JBoss AS or Wildfly, the easiest way to deploy an app under context root is simply to disable the welcome page of application server and deploy app as root, like big root.var. That's going to deploy. That's like a simple trick in JBoss AS for almost forever. Or you have a descriptor file which you can say deploy under context root. because what I'm saying this is because I think all of the Google App Engine demos, the like web application demos that come with SDK, expect, or actually they hard code the content to the context root. And if you wouldn't be, if you just named it like something different than the root.var, or you wouldn't explicitly say that, it would expect a different non-context root, and the demo application wouldn't work. But if you revert to root var, you should be able to deploy all of the SDK demos against CapeDwarf, and they should work. Just shut it. Yeah. With the demo